Today we're going to look at an Ayrton Perseo with some tilt belt problems. This fixture in particular needs a new tilt belt installed, which is going to involve removing several modules and should only be performed by a knowledgeable technician. First, we'll remove the lens hood and get the lens assembly free from all the other pieces so we can remove it. Next, I'll release the tension on the tilt belt. We need to remove the framing module to get the space necessary to access the tilt belt. 4 screws hold in the module, and be sure to unplug the harness. Make sure the lens is pointed downwards to get the zoom and focus glass out of the way. Here you can see the wear on the belt that was causing our problems. Install the new belt, then maneuver the tilt motor assembly back into place. Reinstall the framing module. Before putting this fixture back together, I want to double check my work. Once I know that everything is tensioned and functioning properly, I'll put it back together, pressure test it, and then send it back out. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. Smash that like button and be sure to subscribe.